Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. So today I thought I will do a little unboxing video with you. I just received this new set of watercolor brushes and I'm just going to unbox this package with you and check them out. So I bought these two from Amazon and I just really want something that is small and portable for me to carry outside since I'm planning to do more outdoor sketching now that the weather is nicer. So I really want something that I can easily carry. So let's take a look of these two items I got. So this one is a portable painter. It's really cute and mini. It came with this little pouch. Look how small it is. It's so tiny. Look, it fits comfortably in my palm. It's so cute. Okay. This is how it looks like when you first receive it. And then you just open the lid and take out this color palette part. It also has a lid, and this is a water compartment. So when you are outside, of course you're going to fill the watercolor here first. You can fill with liquid or one of those dry watercolor, and then you can attach these mixing wells, I think that's what they call, to this color palette. You just attach it like that. There's a slot there, and then you can also attach this water container on the side as well. See how cool is that? So you can put water here and mix color here and also here, so you have like plenty of room to mix color, and you can close that if you want. This is super convenient, and there's a like a handle for your finger, although it's a little bit small. So, or you can really put it here. Yeah, the handle is a little bit small, but this is so cool and so convenient. And sometimes I don't even need to use that many color. So we're going to, so this will be super helpful. Okay, so this is that. And then I also got this set of watercolor brush. Let's take a look. So it's also very portable. Open it. There are different sizes of watercolor brush here. There's 3 of them. And let's take a look. I love the gold and black combination. Also the brush feels pretty good weight. It doesn't feel plastic. It has a pretty good weight. And the cool thing about these brushes are portable, and you just twist it, and then you can attach the end, so it becomes a full-size brush, which you can also carry around when you do outdoor sketching. I think the hair is some type of I want to say squirrel hair, so it's some type of animal hair, so if it feels really soft, although right now it's still, because it's new, I need to put it in the water and make it softer, but it will become very soft once I put it in the water. So yeah, there are 3 different sizes, which will be super useful for different area of the artwork. Yeah, you just twist the end. So there's small, medium, and large. This is super helpful because I really want to have a variety of sizes of brush outside. I don't like to use those plastic brush that has like water, has like a water compartment on the end of the brush. Those are convenient, but I don't like how it feels, some sort of like acrylic hair. It's actually not that good when you use that. So I'm going to show you my current watercolor setup, and then compare with the new one and how I'm planning to use the new one in addition to the one I have. I bought this mini watercolor set. I think last year I did a little review on the channel before. It is pretty convenient pocket size. It came with a little tiny brush that I took it out. So the brand is, I believe, is Winsor and Newton. So it came with this tiny watercolor brush, which is really cute, and you can, you know, also turn it into like a longer size, and it fits comfortably in here. But the problem is, it's just the brush size is just too small. Like, you cannot really fill in any background area. It just become impossible to do that. So I don't really like to use this brush when I'm out. I actually really like this other watercolor brush, which I also introduced in my previous video before. So this is a really nice watercolor brush that's also portable, that you can turn it into a full-size brush that's made in Spain. I think it's a Spanish brand. You can check out my video here if you want to see a full review. I really love this brush because it has really nice hair. It's a professional watercolor brush, but it's also really portable. So I use this almost for everything, like for my comics, for my sketchbook, for anything. The problem is, it is because it's just like this one size, so it's hard to get to any details, like fine detail if I have like a really small area I want to fill. So sometimes I will use this one. This one is actually good for like area, like really thin lines. But the problem is just I don't, because you know this big one cannot fit here, and it fits into my regular, this is my full size watercolor set I use for my comics and everything. So this brush fits here, but it's just like sometimes this one becomes, you know, almost too heavy and too big when I want something light to carry outside. So that's a problem. This setup is perfect for when I'm making comic at home, but it becomes a little bit hard for me to carry outside, because even though this is not that big, but it can get kind of heavy if I'm, you know, put it in my small backpack and with other stuff. And also this one, you know, doesn't have any water container compartment, so what I did is I carry this cute little water bottle, which is really funny because it says Pinot Noir. It's a cat wine I bought for my cat before, and he was not interested, but I kept this little water bottle. This is actually a perfect size, really small, and also you can fill the water at home before you head out, because once you're out, you know, it's hard to find water sometimes. And so, which I like this combination, but sometimes, you know, because they're separate, I forgot this bottle, and also it's just like it becomes a little bit too much stuff. So that's why I really want to have like a really compact and convenient setup. So yeah, so and I like this one because it's small, but I actually don't really like the color combination that much compared to the big one I have. And also, like I said, it's hard to use just this one tiny little brush with this watercolor set. Yeah, it gets difficult to do the coloring. So that's why I bought this cute little watercolor palette that has water compartment, mixing wells, and also you can fill whatever watercolor you like here, which I'm excited because I think you can actually, because these ones are removable, I believe I can just, you know, take any of this color out. Let me see. Yeah, like, you know, these ones are actually like switchable, like removable. So I can, you know, I can actually just put the color here. See, it's perfect. Yeah, so I can just mix and match the color I want. It gets into big with this little container. See, I can just pick the color I want. That's super cool. I love this new watercolor palette already. Yeah. You can get it to be messy, but it's okay. And also, if you want, you can order more of this individually packed color online, like at Winsor & Newton or any, I think if this is Winsor & Newton color. Yeah, so if you want other colors, you can also order those as well. So I think I really love how this works, because you don't need that much color in order to, you know, do a nice painting. You only need, you know, like the primary color and maybe one or two more. Let's put this in. Yeah, so now I have this new setup. I have red, yellow, different shades of yellow, green and blue. I can do a nice painting with this color easily. And can put water here, mix color here. And for the brush, you know, since I have these different sizes, then I have a variety, but also they don't take much space, and I can just put them into this little pocket. I wonder if I can fit one more. I might be able to fit one more, but these three are good because I have like 3 different sizes. And then once I'm done, I can just put it back. Look, and then now I only need to carry these 2 items, 2 small items that are super lightweight, super versatile, and also I'm able to create a really nice watercolor painting with these just 2 little items versus, you know, this big one and water. And I also need to carry other brushes in addition to this because you know, this one doesn't come with different size brushes. Yeah, so I'm really happy with these 2 items I got. I hope you, and I can't wait to carry them to do my outdoor sketching soon, and I will keep you updated. I hope you enjoyed this video of this little unboxing and a little bit of the comparison of my watercolor materials. If you have any questions, feel free to comment or message me, and I will see you next time. Bye.